Meaning of jibba.
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 jibba,
Jibba. The word jibba can refer to a few different things. It can be a long, loose outer garment with wide sleeves, worn by Muslim men and women, especially in India. It can also be a type of sunflower, having edible, tuberous, underground stems or rootstocks. Additionally, it can be a trinket or bauble. Finally, it can be a large marble. In the context of your search results, it appears that you are referring to the first definition of jibba as a long, loose outer garment worn by Muslims. This garment is typically made of cotton or linen and is often white or black in color. It has long sleeves and a loose-fitting body that falls to the ankles. The jibba is a traditional garment that is worn by both men and women in many Muslim countries. It is often seen as a symbol of modesty and piety.